3, 2, 1. So, in this instance, we're being asked to identify the factors of this function, px equals x cubed plus 4x squared minus 4x minus 16, correct? Now we've gone through methods to deal with that, but one of the best methods, and I think the best method because it's the quickest method, is graphing, because we can find all the factors really quickly. So all I do is I get that and I shove it into my calculator. And I graph it, and I'm looking for 3 key points, which are my intercepts. I need another point, but the first 3 points I'm looking at are my intercepts. And the way that I find those in my calculator is I hit that Shift G solve, and I look for the root button rather than going trial and error. So you go Shift G solve, and then the F1 should be root, and it will give you 3 or 4 x values there. So your first one is x equals negative 1.67. I'm assuming. No, that's a different question.
That's the last one.
That's the last one. Does someone want to give me the values for that one?
Negative 4, negative 2.
Negative 4 point.
Mine's negative 4.
Or negative 4. So we get negative 4,
Negative 2.
negative 2.
And turn it
Okay. So I'm not going to write the y coordinates, but you know that's 0. That's I will write them. I like. Okay. So they're my intercepts there, correct? Now I need some other point. I'll deal with that later. By inspection, I can see that we have x-intercepts at x equals negative 4, x equals negative 2, and x equals 2. So that means that b equals
Negative 4.
so I get a, b equals negative 4, which makes this x plus 4, x plus 2, x minus 2. Are we happy with that? Now I found some factors. What do I need to find out? What value is still missing? My a value, correct? How do I find that? Rearrange it, but I need something else, don't I? What else do I need to find that a value? What's that? I need
X.
an x and a y value, correct? How do I get that x and that y value? I pick a point. I can pick this point here for all I care. It doesn't matter where I pick. As long as I pick a point on that graph, I'm all good. So find me a point on that graph. Find me a coordinate. Give you 3 seconds to do that. Someone's going to find me a coordinate before I
Negative
go.
4 is 0.
Negative 4 is 0. I can't use that. Why can't I use that?
It's got a 0.
Why can't I use negative 4 as a coordinate? What's going to happen if I equal negative 4? 0. 0 times anything is?
0.
So I'm not going to get an a value. So that's a good point, Harry. There are 3 points I can't pick. What are those 3
But
points?
x was negative 4.
Hmm?
X was negative 4.
Yeah, but if I let x equal negative 4, I'm going to get negative 4 plus 4, which is? Makes sense? So give me another point.
0, negative 16.
So 0, negative 16. I like it. So let x equal 0. And we know that p of 0 equals 16. So 16 equals a 4, 2, negative 2. What is 4 times 2 times negative 2? 4 times 2 times negative 2.
Negative 16.
Negative 16. So a equals 16 divided by negative 16, which equals? A equals negative 1. Let's do it over here. Which means my equation px can be represented as negative 1 x minus x plus 4, x plus 2, x minus 2. Are we clear? I could also expand the negative into one of those terms, but I'm just going to leave it like that because I'm suspicious that will create more confusion and will create help. Yep.
The x-intercepts come up when you put it in the graph.
Yeah, so to get my x-intercepts, I can either trace or I can hit Shift G solve. So if you go Shift, and then I think it's F5, that'll be G solve on your graphing button. And then F1 will be root, and root means, we went through the roots the other day, remember what roots are? In our first lesson we did roots, so that's just finding those. You right? All good. If, I'll let you play around with that. Have a go at B by yourself, off you go.